Baked Portuguese cod with potatoes and onions, 4 servings, 50 minutes total. A simple and quick classic. 1½ pounds of salted cod, already desalted and flaked. 4 medium potatoes, peeled and sliced into 1/4 inch rounds. 2 large onions, peeled and sliced into rings. 4 cloves of garlic, peeled and minced. ½ cup of extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Salt to taste. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. 2 lemons, cut into wedges for serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a large baking dish with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Arrange the 4 medium potato slices in an even layer to cover the bottom of the baking dish. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Scatter the 2 large onion rings evenly over the potatoes and add the 4 cloves of minced garlic across the surface. Place the desalted and flaked 1½ pounds of cod on top in an even layer, breaking larger pieces so the fish sits flat. Drizzle the ½ cup of extra virgin olive oil evenly over the cod. Then sprinkle 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika across the fish. Cover the dish loosely with aluminum foil and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Remove the foil and bake uncovered for an additional 10 minutes to brown the top. While the dish finishes, mix 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley with the juice of 1 lemon and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to make a bright dressing. Check the potatoes with a fork, they should be tender. If needed, bake uncovered for another 5 minutes. Remove the baking dish from the oven and spoon the parsley and lemon dressing evenly over the cod and potatoes. Season with additional salt and freshly ground black pepper if needed, and squeeze the remaining lemon wedge over the fish. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Let the dish rest for 3 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to settle. This is the final step. Enjoy and serve hot. Please like, subscribe and ring the bell for more recipes. Here's our baked Portuguese cod with potatoes and onions, 4 servings and 50 minutes. Enjoy this simple and quick meal. Please like, subscribe and ring the bell for more recipes.